Welcome. In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the COROS application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the COROS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on Profile, and here you should see your Pace Pro watch. Tap on it. And under the watch, you will see this watch faces category. You can tap on View All, it will open the watch face store, and here you can basically scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find something you are interested in, you can simply tap on it, tap on Send to Watch, Okay, this took a while, but as you can see, the watch face was applied. Also, you have this list right here, My Watch Faces, and basically this is the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And here, as you can see, we have 9 out of 10, so you have limit of 10 watch faces. And once you decide to install something and you don't have space anymore, you can simply open the watch face management, select the watch face you want to remove, and then you can tap on Delete, and the watch face will be removed, and then you can install something else if you don't have space. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.